Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your Outlook and Teams are the same Microsoft 365 account. This avoids permission gaps. Next, open Outlook Calendar and choose New Meeting so you can start entering details. Once the meeting window is open, enable the Teams Meeting toggle or click the Teams Meeting Add-in button. This attaches conferencing info automatically. Make sure to add a clear title and at least one attendee so Outlook processes the Teams link and creates the online meeting entry. Now you'll fill in the essential details: title, attendees, date and time, and add a helpful location note like Teams link or physical room. Use Scheduling Assistant to find a conflict-free slot. It shows availability and simplifies rescheduling. Once time is set, select meeting options from the Teams link to control lobby behavior, who can present, and whether attendees can bypass the lobby. Also set a reasonable reminder. This keeps attendance high and prevents last-minute chaos. Send the invite and then immediately confirm the Teams meeting link appears on the calendar entry. This ensures recipients get an actionable join URL. Once sent, consider a brief test call, especially if you have external guests or specialized conference hardware. If you don't see a Teams link or attendees report issues, close and reopen Outlook or repair/reinstall the Teams add-in. That usually restores integration. If problems persist, sign out and back into both apps to refresh account tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.